is Bambinita.
Bambini, Bambini. Come on, little children, it's Bambini. Come, let's learn in various fun. But it's an educational TV show.
Talent is a gift from God, but then you have to showcase it to the world for everybody to know the gift God has given to you. Welcome to Bambini Show, your #1 kids show in the whole wide world. Today, I have one gentleman here with me. His talent is something I've not witnessed before. He's so amazing, talented, and also intelligent. And currently in a reality show. We are about to find out. So guys, help me welcome our guest for today. Hey. Hey. This one, I know how to dance past you. Wow, God. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking so splendid.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, he is our guest for today. But before we start our conversation, we're going for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back from that short break. My guest for today is an impersonator. Have you seen someone before like that? No. But there are other people who can imitate other people's voice and other things, but his own is very special. The reason why I'm saying it's special because he is an animal impersonator. And God, welcome back once again.
Thank you.
You're looking so nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so God, tell us about yourself.
Okay. My name is Kada Mankwara J. I am 9 years old. New Odubiasi is my hometown. I attend school at Future Assurance Academy in New Odubiasi, the Dancy South District of Ashanti region. I am in Basic 4. There is Bonsra AJ and Belinda Ifeja are there and my parents. They are blessed with 3 children and I am the second born.
Okay, you are the second born.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years of age.
9 years.
Yeah.
And when did you realize you have that talent?
I realized my talent at age 4. I stopped because there was no avenue for me to exhibit this talent.
Oh, okay. So how long have you been doing it since you stopped in the middle of the way?
For about a year now.
A year?
Yeah.
And how is it going? Is it cool? Is it good? Because since you stopped and then it's been a year. How is it going?
Good.
So you're feeling the vibe?
Yeah.
And how do people treat you?
Well,
They treat you well?
yeah.
Including your classmates?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then you are on this reality show, Talented Kid, season 15. How is the competition going?
Good.
It's going good.
But it's tough.
It's tough. But since you are the only impersonator in that competition, did they give you a special treat?
Yeah.
Something like,
They always tell me to keep on educating them.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's nice. And outside this reality show, have you performed on an, like, if let's say there's an event and then you are called to come and perform?
Yeah, we did Ace of a Dancing Talented Kids. They gave me the first opportunity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So from there, then you came to.
Or the Kumasi audition. Then they qualify me to the final audition. And they qualify me on that final audition.
Oh, okay.
I was very excited.
Wow. And how do you train? How do you train? How do you rehearse on your talents?
I try to mimic the sound of any animal I come across, both on TV and in our homes.
Okay. So if I ask you to give me the sound of a dog right now, you're gonna do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a feel of that. It sounds like a real dog.
Yeah.
Hey, this is so nice. Wow. And have you thanked God for that?
Yeah.
What do you want to be in future, God?
I want to become a veterinary doctor in future and advocate for vegetarians.
Oh, okay. And are you going to combine it with your talent?
Yeah.
You're going to combine it with it?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a role model as it stands now?
Not really.
Not really. Why?
Hmm?
Or your own role model?
Yeah.
Okay, so aside being an impersonator, what other things can you do?
I don't know how to do anything. I don't know how to dance. No, I don't know how to sing.
But you just danced.
Yeah.
It was good.
It was good.
It was good.
That
So
was-
it means you can also sing.
Me,
Uh-huh.
I can sing.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to sing.
Okay, you just give me a line of Yeshua.
Yeshua, ah, 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 ah,
So I
ah.
told you can sing.
I don't know.
I told you can sing. You're telling me no. You're telling me no. So you're lying it.
I don't know how to sing.
Okay, so how do you combine your education with your talents? Most especially, you are in the TV3 reality show right now.
You have the time to rehearse and you also have the time to study hard.
Okay, so you have time for studying and you have time for the show.
Yeah.
Okay, so since you are an impersonator,
Okay.
we want to have a feel of some of the things you can do, some of the sounds you can give us.
Okay. I'm starting with a rooster.
Okay. Okay. It sounds like a real one. Which other one can you give us?
A dog.
Okay. Another one.
A puppy.
Okay.
That's the one hit by a stick.
So he's in pain.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so can you give me the sound of a bird?
Bird.
Yes. Well, how do you do that?
My voice.
Mommy, I can't do anything. No. Mine is to just talk as I'm talking to you. So, like, you do it with your own voice.
Yeah.
You don't change it.
I use some technique.
And what's that technique? Do you mind sharing it with us?
Like my mouth, I'll be changing to do like the rooster would do.
Okay. So how the animals mouth look like when
Yeah,
doing that?
sometimes the rooster and they'll be
Okay, so air. Okay. Wow. That's so nice. And do you mind teaching a colleague when someone comes to you like, oh God, I want to learn this from you?
Yeah, only if they are interested. Why not?
So I'm going to teach you because I'm interested.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
Yeah.
Okay, God. So, what do you have to say to the kids out there watching you right now? What do you have to say to them?
Okay, animal cruelty should not be encouraged in our communities. And my advice to the other children is simple. Just focus. Don't give up. Because if I was listening to the other people, I wouldn't be here.
Wow, that's so powerful. But what's your favorite food?
Rice and palm nut soup.
Hey! Rice and palm nut soup.
Yeah.
So if I give it to you right now, you're going to eat?
I'll eat.
You eat. Do you have a trainer who trains you?
I don't have a trainer, but my mother is the one who will be telling me, do this, do that.
So mommy is your trainer now?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have someone you are learning this kind of talent from?
No.
You don't have anybody?
Yeah.
Wow. That's so nice.
But I have a brother. He impersonates like an animal. He taught me one, and it's the son of an eagle.
Okay, so show us that one.
And it produces another sound, and it is.
Wow. What about the sound of a parrot?
A parrot. Oh, a talking parrot.
So that means that the parrot is talking.
Yes.
Wow. And what other animal can you mimic right now?
A lion.
A lion. And what did I use? How about a tiger?
Yeah, I haven't found it yet, but I think the first time you do. How is it doing?
Oh, okay. Wow. That's so nice. So what do you have to tell mommy and daddy?
I'm very grateful for their support. And I thank my auntie Dorcas, Obrempon of Frames Couture, and Sir Destiny of Jelobi Fashion. They are the ones who gave me set to where to perform on stage.
Oh, okay.
And my school proprietor, Mr. M6 Insia, which is in my supervisor, Sir Wisdom Ausi, and the entire school for their support.
Oh, okay. So you have someone who gave you your outfit for.
Yeah, my family members also support, all of them.
So we want to keep you in the competition. We are all willing to keep you in the competition to see more of your more of what you do.
Education.
Yes. How are we supposed to go about it? What should we do to keep you in the competition?
To keep me in the TV3 Talented Kids competition, kindly dial *713*13# or download the TV3 reality app to vote. I'm number 6 on the list.
Okay, with the name God.
Yeah, GAD.
GAD. Okay, guys, since we're about to end our conversation, give us another freestyle. So another sound.
A dolphin.
But have you been in the sea before?
No.
So how did you know that that's how the dolphin sounds? Or you've been watching it on TV?
The question you asked me, I tried to mimic the sound of any
Okay.
animal, both on TV and in our homes.
Okay.
So the dolphin, I found the sound on the TV.
Oh, okay. So give us another one.
The wolf.
Okay. Wow. So if you are supposed to be an animal, since you impersonate animals, if you are supposed to be one animal, which animal would that be?
Or be an eagle.
An eagle. So give me that sound. And why do you want to be an eagle?
Because of his strength, the courage, he can even pick humans, antelopes. Yeah.
Oh,
That
okay.
one.
Give me a high five. Yeah. Yeah, so that was God, the animal impersonator. Keep voting for him to keep him in the competition to see more of what he does. I'm Naneka Aduma and keep watching Bambini Show. Follow us on all our social media platforms. You like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. See you later.
Hi everyone, this is your boy God, the animal impersonator. Today you're gonna have fun. When I make the sound of the animal, you tell me the name of the animal impersonator. So are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Let's get started. Who said wolf? Clap for yourselves. Now moving next to who said cricket? Clap for yourselves. So I'm going to take you back to your nursery class. Join me whilst I sing and impersonate the sound of animals. So DJ, start. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With his oink oink here, his oink oink there, here it oink, there it oink, everywhere it oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. I am the rooster, popularly known as the cock. The hen is my wife. And the chicks are my babies. I cry out loud every dawn to wake people up to set them out on their daily activities. I am normally found in homes. People rear me for meat, and my wife gives out eggs, which is rich in protein to help build up the human body. And other people also kept me as a pet. Judges, have you ever enjoyed my meat with Reverend Kwai and Fufu before? If not, try it. Delicious. But beware of bird flu. Bird flu is a disease that primarily infects birds like hen, rooster, and other feather animals, but can also infect you. It is most often contracted by having contact with sick birds and can be passed from person to person. Symptoms begin within 2 to 8 days and can appear like common flu, cough, sneeze, runny nose, and shortness of breath. Audience, one may ask, how do we treat and prevent bird flu disease? 1. Some antiviral drugs, if taken within 2 days of symptoms, may help. 2. Yaw and should stop eating sick birds because it may be infected with bird flu disease. Now it's late. Let me catch some rest. I do this to scare people from stealing from my owner's house. I am a domesticated and descendant of the wolf. I am called a domestic dog. My scientific name is Canis lupus familiaris. I come in so many breeds, like the German Shepherd, the Doberman, the Golden Retriever, French Bulldog, etc. I am an excellent companion to humans. I comfort people with unconditional love and affection. I help reduce stress, encourage exercise and playfulness, and even help in your cardiovascular health. But I have this deadly disease called rabies. It spread from me to others when I bite you. One will experience mental confusion, excess salivation, fever, paralysis, and headache when I infect him or her with the disease. Audience, Seek immediate medical attention after a bite from a dog. One sad thing is there is no specific treatment for rabies, so dog owners, vaccinate your dogs very often to prevent rabies from spreading. These are the reasons why I want to become a veterinary doctor in future. My people, let's come together to fight against bird flu and rabies and other sicknesses that are animal related because they are killers and real. The name still remains Gal, the animal impersonator. Thank you.
It's so fun, entertaining, and exciting. We are at Efforts Sutherland Park, which is a children's park. Today is Indomie Fest, and we are here to make it lively, informative, educative, and entertaining at the same time. There are going to be a lot of activities, and there are also guest artists coming. Who and who is coming on?
Okay, so we have the almighty Stone Boy, we have Stone Girl here, and the dance crew, as you know, DWP.
To the whole world. And then there are a lot of activities going on right now, which are?
We have face painting, trampoline, bouncy castle. I mean, what do you want that you won't get here? Even talented kids, they are here to display some stuff.
So, as you know, Bambini is here to make it so lively. I'm Naneki Adumasi. I'm here with Fafali and
Emanuela Ella.
so keep watching Bambini as the show goes on. So it's a Alright, so I have one beautiful lady here with me. I'm Naneki. What about you?
I'm Mary Sechi.
Okay, Mary. We are at the Indomie Fest, and then as you see the environment, how do you see the environment? How do you see it?
Oh, it's cool. It's cool. It's charming.
Okay, so there's Stone Boy coming and there's DWP coming. So whom are you waiting to see first? Is it DWP or it's Stone Boy?
I want to see Stone Boy first.
You want to see Stone Boy first? Okay, so can you sing any of his songs? Okay, so what talent do you have?
I dance.
You dance. You are going to give me a freestyle. Let's go. Just something small. Let's go. Thank you so much. Alright, so I have mother, father, children. Yes, 3 square. Okay, so I'm the next girl. What about you?
Abigail.
Okay.
Eric.
Eric, and then what's your name?
Yanis.
Okay, what about you?
Adom.
Dome. Okay, so is today your first time or you've been here severally?
Today happens to be our first time.
Woo, first time! And how do you see the environment?
Oh, nice.
Okay, so we have 2 artists coming here. We have GWP Academy, that's the dance group, and we also have Stone Boy. Who am I looking forward to see first? Bim Nation. What about you?
Bim.
So it's a Bim family. So shout out to the Bim family. Okay, so let's say bye-bye to our Bambini fans. Bye-bye.
Hello, Monica. Can you come over? We can chop love and dinner. Want you here, don't send me your dinner. Don't mind that Uber driver. I go be by that Uber. Oh my God, body be Monica. Let me up, baby, and I go make you my lady all night. the back dad. Give him a car, give him a what pull it is. Le pinot, c'est le manger, le colliné à orchestra. Monsieur le chef, je confie ça.
Everyone, we are still at Children's Park, and you know we are having a lot of fun. It's still the Indomie Festival. My name is Ella, and as you can see, I'm standing here with two beautiful ladies. So what's your name?
Laurentia.
Precious. Okay, so Precious and Laurentia, how are you seeing the fun fair? How is it going?
It's okay.
How about you?
It's very nice.
Very nice. So what are your expectations for the fun fair?
Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best. What about you?
Everything should go well.
Okay, so are you looking forward to see someone? You're not looking forward to see anyone. You know Stoneboy is coming, right? You didn't know. Okay, so I'm telling you, Stoneboy is coming. I hope you have fun when he comes. You have fun. Okay, you also have fun, right? Okay, so thank you for your time, and let's say bye-bye to Bambini.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. Tear them down into pieces. What you figure this beast? Follow me talking your degrees. But who I never listen. My wingman say pim 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 pim. In online we are taking. Every little thing on the wish list. Talk to your baby, your love, your this thing. Now you sign us some mama. They go talk this a way come on some man. What causing the trouble? Chocolate girl from Guyana, tell me for the soul, tell me your man casa. Cause the one time I've been down, me chat and play them rabbit son and son. Catch feelings, it's a boy catch flight. Keep backing up the guns and watch man fly like bird, like bird. From a vibe to a pill, say the word. Let you understand dance in the use and run Jamaica from Nigeria.
What you see? Over to the wall. Over to the wall. Ready? Oh, man, his hands already broken. Give it up for Stoneboy. Give it up for Stoneboy. Level. Somebody say stronger. Stronger. This is my own little daughter. She wanna do something for you. Are you ready? No, you're not ready. I can't hear you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go for it. Wave up. Monday, give up on the same track.
Yeah, can't fade out. Man, I blow overseas, me no motor.
What's that? It's a better thing. I'm not Uya na kula ege yemanya. Asoka bari de kamino ni. Selassie.
Kudunya masemi awa.
Jabwe. Yo, everybody na ayana. Jabari overlord. Now we are here. We are better. We are the same.